Today, we're going to take a look at a few strategies that can help you remove old stripes and graphics without damaging the paint. We're going to be using a plastic razor blade, an inexpensive heat gun from Harbor Freight, and some lacquer thinner. These are really old graphics, so it's a good idea to warm them up a bit before trying to remove them. This has two settings, high and low. We're just going to start out with low and just warm up this little bit right here. And you can feel it. And you just want it warmed up, not burning the paint or anything. Just warm enough to get that old decal softened up a bit. And I have it, again, I have it set on low. Then we'll use our plastic razor blade to just dig under there a little bit. And you can peel and heat at the same time. And since it's split right there, we're going to warm it up just a little bit more. You can put it on high to speed it up, but we're just going to take our time. And this is very brittle stuff. Now, let's warm it up a little bit more. We're going to put it on high now. And just get under there a little bit. There we go. And now, to get this extra gluey residue off, lacquer thinner always works the best. Okay. And we'll just, that just cuts right through it real nice. Get that old glue off of there. And that's it for that piece. Now we'll just continue with the rest of the stripe. If you're going to be repainting, you can also use a scuff pad with your lacquer thinner and just put a little bit on there, and that really cuts through, helps to remove that old glue, and then you can just wipe it with a rag. Like that. Finally, the skinny pinstripes can be difficult. With too much heat, it'll pull apart. With too little heat, it'll snap or tear. So getting the temperature just right is key. So we're going to start on low. And we'll turn it up. Gotta get it a little warmer. And there we go. See, that's what you want. You don't want it to just pull apart, and you don't want it to just crack. There it cracked. So that meant it was a little bit too cool. And now to get the rest of that glue off, we'll start with an old scuff pad. Loosen it up a bit. And this really cuts through that glue. And then you'll get some real gummy stuff on there, and you can use plastic razor blade to just sort of scrape that right up. Get those chunks off of there. You just use that thing perpendicular to the paint, and it works like a scraper. We'll just keep hitting it with thinner, soften it up a bit. And then you can use that razor blade, scrape it, and wipe some of that off. And that's it. This area is ready to be DA sanded and painted. Those are the methods I've always used to remove stubborn graphics and stripes. If you have some ideas or strategies that are faster and or easier, feel free to comment below. As always, thanks for watching, and if you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.